Hey everybody, Travis of Food Forest Design Solutions. Just finished up my short day here in Inver Grove Heights, and I'm going to turn around and show you how far I got. I basically just came here to lay out 4 fruit tree guilds and then dig the holes for the trees, and then I will finish these guilds most likely Tuesday when my soil and mulch shows up. But here, I'll turn you around. Here we go. We got a pear tree, apple tree, pear tree, apple tree, and just 4 in a row, and they're staggered because that's the way they want them. But you'll see 3 or 4 guilds here, and all their supporting plants and herbs and such. After they're planted out, a lot of stuff isn't going to be planted till spring, obviously, because it's November now. And today is the Marine Corps birthday. Semper Fi, fellow double dogs. If you didn't know, I am a veteran-owned business. I am a Marine Corps Desert Storm veteran. So just know you have a veteran working for you, and you know Marines work hard and get the job done no matter what. Anyway, that's where we're at. I don't know if this camera is catching this video.